Good day to you all. My name is Frank Kakada, Chairman, CEO, NVC Fund Holdings. This special message is to all of our associates, our advocates and friends and supporters of NVC Fund Holdings. I thank you once again for all of your support throughout these years. I'm sure many of you are interested to know where we are in the progress of NVC. I am happy to report that things are moving on well. We're not going to dwell on all of the attempts to stop us. We are unstoppable as far as we are concerned, because the job is apparent. What we've done is transparent enough. We've been vetted by those who thought that we need to be sifted and vetted, and so we continue to make progress. I'm happy to report that we have secured a very high-powered backing that has the ability to clear and settle through the back office of the VisaNet platform. So we have the global platform to be able to realize some of our main objectives, which is to create liquidity for our funds through settlement and clearing, and so that's a good thing. We have some of our associates that have worked behind the scene to secure that platform to be hooked up into the NVC Fund Banking infrastructure, so we can do the settlement and clearing through the debit fund movement and clearing and settlement through the VisaNet platform. Effectively, we're able to create the enabling environment where our projects can now be funded, our approved project can now be funded throughout the world, wherever they may be, wherever Visa is accepted. I'm sure many of the banks, many of you in your banking relationship either have your debit cards cleared through the MasterCard or Visa logo. In this instance, we have the Visa, and that is not an arrangement to be taken lightly, and we are grateful for that. So I just wanted to report that significant progress. The work is still ongoing to finalize and tie things up, and that is where the opportunity comes in for everyone that wants to know how they can add value to where we are. Many of you are aware that we've secured the banking license, but we are now in the mode of acquiring commercial banks that are already in existence. We are willing to take on any bank that meets our requirement throughout the world, but most especially for the African banks that need the balance sheet, that needs recapitalization, that need the strength that NVC Fund is able to provide. We have excess balance sheets that will help to give them the strength they need. Now that we are in a position to act as a correspondent to them, it will do them some good to connect their banking infrastructure to the NVC Fund infrastructure. So that's a lot of opportunity for everyone involved as we build a global brand, as we try to put NVC Fund in the almanac, in the banker's almanac, because at this point it really doesn't make any sense for the list of global banks, the top 25 banks, the top 50 banks, to not have an African financial institution in that mix. That has to change, and I'm sure many of you are aware of that misnomer that we have 7 continents, and of the 7 continents, Africa is the richest in terms of natural resources, but Africa is not, does not have any bank in the top 50 banks in the world, not even the top 100 banks in the world. It doesn't add up, and that has to change. So let's make it happen. Let's continue to push the agenda. Let's continue to rewrite our own story so that we will have the result and build an institution that will serve our people throughout the continent and throughout the world. Thank you very much for your participation and giving us the chance to be of great service to you. God bless you all and have a great day. Thank you.